Hi, this is Mira from whatnaturalslove.com. Welcome back to my channel. I just finished blowing up this basin. It's to wash your hair. You can use it on bed, you can use it on the ground, just to relax when you wash your locks. It has this where you can let water flow out, so it's really easy to have a relaxed bed when you do your hair, for your hair, to let your hair soak. Whether you want to deep cleanse your locks, dreadlocks, sister locks, brother locks, whatever kind of locks you have, it's really the easiest. You know, it's really very convenient to use this. Or if you just have natural hair and you want to just relax and let your hair soak. And what we don't have today is apple cider vinegar and baking rinse. What we do have is these lock bombs. They are really the best thing to deep cleanse your hair. They have all the ingredients as an ACV rinse with citric acid and baking soda, but it also has Epsom salt in it, which make your hair super soft. It's great for the scalp, to deep cleanse the scalp, and also makes and also moisturize the scalp, so your hair doesn't feel dry after you do a ACV or baking soda rinse or whatever shampoo you use. These are really nice and they smell divine. So I'm going to show you how to do that. This is my basin. This is basically ingredients that I use. Do you see the balls? No, you don't. That's where they are. This is what we're using today. I'm going to add some water, and then I'm going to relax and show you how I lie in my basin and enjoy, relax while I'm letting my hair soak. Alright, so see you in a minute. So while that is happening, I am preparing I wonder if I can add some more water to it. One is enough. Actually, one is too much, but you can use as many or as little as you want. That's my bed, and here I go. Move this camera down a little. Water's got to be hot, but not too hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Okay, so I'm back. I rinsed my hair in the shower. The water was nasty. But it still smelled nice. It's really weird, but it's true. Like, the water was nasty. You saw the water. It was nasty, but it still smelled good. My hair feels soft and it smells really nice. So these shampoo bombs, I'm telling you, they are the bomb. The lock bombs, I call them too. We have 4 flavors. The 4th one I used, so you can get them at whatnaturalslove.com. It's really a hair and scalp treatment. You just lay in the basin. It's the first time I used it. I could have stayed in there forever. I'm telling you, it's so comforting. It's so relaxing. No more under the shower, rinse, repeat, wash, and then, you know, you just stay in the basin, you watch a video, you do whatever until the water gets cold. You can do repeat it, because I'm telling you, this is like, it's addictive. It's just so relaxing. I recommend it to everybody. The basin is also available on whatnaturalslove.com. Check out my store. My hair feels, again, soft, and it smells nice. It's because of the Epsom salt in here. So all the ingredients that you need to deep cleanse your hair: citric acid, which is comparable to ACV, to apple cider vinegar, and baking soda is in here. Essential oils, these are organic bombs. They are handmade, and you can get them at whatnaturalslove.com. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe. See you online.